Hello students, today we're going to do our program number 13th program. Write a function that counts number of vowels present in a text file first term.txt. Number of vowels. Let's start. Def display anything, any name, giving count, initializing count to 0. Now I'm gonna open the text file. F equals open first term.txt. By default it is read mode, so I'm not mentioning it. Now now I have to read data equals f dot read off. Okay, I'm reading it here. For I in data, if I in A, E, I, O, U, count plus equal to 1, and then print number of vowels, number of vowels comma count. F dot close off. Now here we must call, so display. Let's run. Sorry, I didn't close the other program, the previous program. So let me just close that. Run. There are 12 vowels. Now let us check if this is correct. I have saved my text file here, so I'm going to open my text file first term.txt. See, this is the data in the text file. We will learn C as in get 100 in the board exam. So E, first vowel, second vowel, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much did we get here? So yeah, number of vowels 12. Yes, this is done. So this was our program number 13. This is very simple basic program. So hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please put any doubts in the comment section. I'll surely clear it for you. Thank you.